In this tutorial, I'll show you how to animate characters in Adobe Express using your voice or any audio file. To get started, open Adobe Express and click the plus icon in the left sidebar. From there, select Quick Actions, choose Video, and look for the quick action called Animate Characters. Once you're in, start by selecting a character you like. Next, upload or select a background to set the scene, and resize it to fit perfectly within the frame. Now comes the fun part, adding audio. You can either record your voice directly in Adobe Express or upload an existing audio file. Let's start with uploading an audio file. Click Browse, select a file from your device, and add it to your project. Once the file is added, the audio plays, and your character comes to life, moving and speaking in time. Now, let's look at the second option, which is recording your voice directly. In the same audio section, select Record. You may be prompted to allow microphone access in your browser. Make sure you grant permission and confirm that the correct microphone is selected. Once access is enabled, record your dialogue and add it straight to the character. After your animation is ready, preview it to ensure everything looks just right. You can then download the video or open it in the editor to make additional edits.